Hello, my name is Rashmi KP of first year IS. My topic is about illiteracy cure. Illiteracy is the state of human being where he is unable to read or write. The 25% of population of India is still illiterate. As we see in the graph, the female illiteracy rate is less due to the backward mentality of people. We as the people of this country should encourage our women to be financially independent. Even if we cannot help the people financially, we should make the people understand the importance of education so the people educate their children. We should campaign and introduce the government schemes to the people whom the government has failed to reach. Strict action should be taken against the people who forbid their children from education. Illiteracy can solve many major issues of country, that is poverty, child marriage and many more. Thank you.